Hello guys, so if you're looking to get better results in your AI generated art from Midjourney, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place. Because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So without wasting more time, let's begin. Now for the AI prompt that we are going to use in Midjourney, we are going to take the help of ChatGPT. So for that we have to just simply write the idea. Like for me, I want an ancient Viking woman with an axe in her hand. So I'm just going to simply write that over here. So it is give me 5 prompts for Midjourney of an ancient Viking woman holding an axe. So after that, just simply hit enter and wait for the prompt. Now as you can see, it gave us few lines that we can obviously use as a prompt, but it won't give a very good result. So what we can do instead is train ChatGPT to give prompts according to Midjourney, which is suitable in Midjourney. So for that, start a new chat. So click on it. Now I'm going to give him a formula that it will use to generate prompts. So as you can see over here, I've written the formula for Midjourney prompt. So I've started like this. Here is the Midjourney prompt formula. Image we are prompting, 5 keywords, camera type, camera lens type, time of day, style of photography, and type of film. Then in the end, just simply write, please respond with yes if you understand. Then after you have written this, just simply hit enter. Now just simply again use the same prompt that you used earlier. I'm going to use Viking woman. Then I will paste it right over here, then hit enter. Now you will see it. It will create multiple prompts for Midjourney. Now as you can see, ChatGPT gave us few prompts over here, but they're in a very different type of format because they are all individually in points form. So what I want is to get all of the information in a singular line and separated by commas. So I'm just simply gonna write that over here. Give all the points in a single line separated by comma. Then hit enter. Now just simply wait for the prompts. So as you can see now, it gave us a pretty good format which is now applicable for Midjourney, but there are still few parentheses, so I don't want that. So I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to remove them as well. So just simply write, please rewrite the same 5 prompts without the parentheses. Then hit enter. Now wait for the result. So as you can see now, it gave us a pretty good result. Now what we are going to do is just simply copy the prompts over here and paste it on Midjourney. So I'm gonna copy it from here. Now just simply go back to your Midjourney on your Discord server, then hit /imagine and paste the prompt and see what happens. Now just simply wait for the result to come in. So as you can see, it gave us a pretty good result. If you look over here, it's pretty realistic. Now let's do that for all 5 of them. So for that, again, just simply go back to your ChatGPT, copy the prompt and paste it in Midjourney, and do that for all the prompts if you like. So after a few minutes, Midjourney came up with all 5 prompts that I gave him. As you can see, the results are pretty good and realistic as well. So that's all, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.